guys, so today we're going to make this blueberry banana smoothie. So this is a very simple recipe and it's thick, it's creamy, even without the addition of the ice. So I hope you guys will give it a try. So let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, today we're going to make blueberry banana smoothie and I'm just pouring in the milk and I have my frozen banana. Make sure to use frozen fruits here. Frozen banana, frozen blueberries, because that gives a nice texture. It's not going to be watery. And even the yogurt, I have my plain Greek yogurt frozen as well. But if you didn't have the time to freeze your yogurt, you can just use it as is. But it's always better to have everything frozen so that you get a nice consistency and it's not going to be runny. You don't even have to need to add some ice. Okay, so we're just going to close this. Perfect. Okay, there we go. Let's just transfer this and try it. Okay, so this is now our blueberry banana smoothie. So it's thick, it's creamy, even without the addition of ice. So let's give this a try. So good for something so easy to make. So thank you guys for watching and until next time. Bye!